Hello friends, today we'll be covering the types of reports SSRS have. So in SSRS, most of the time we create the tabular report. So there we make use of this table control from the toolbox, and there add various columns as needed. Apart from that, we can create matrix report as well, where we can create the grouping. We can create the grouping in the row level as well as in the column level. So here you can see this is a table, so we can create the grouping in the row level, but in case of matrix we can create the grouping in the column level as well. Apart from that, we have we can create various chart report that includes pie chart, bar chart. So various kind of chart we can create in SSRS report, and we can create a sub report as well. Using this sub report control, we will be covering this in detail later. So using this sub report control, in one report, in the body of one report, we can embed another report. So these are called sub reports. Then we have the concept of drill through report and drill down report. So those things will also be covered later. We can create map as well. Apart from that, for performance of any report, let's say some report is taking very long time. So for that, what we can do is we can make the report cached in the server for 30 minutes. So that is also one kind of report. And for any report that is taking very long time, we can create the cache report. Similarly, we can create the snapshot report as well, where the data, the snapshot of the report based on the timing we set. So based on that timing, snapshot of the report gets stored in the report server itself. So in future, we can refer to the snapshot report of one particular date and time, and we can view the report of that particular date and time. So that is the concept of snapshot report. Then linked report are basically one report which is linked with another report. It is less used, I would say, very less used, but the important thing is you cannot edit a linked report. It is basically a replica copy of the main report which you are creating. So if you make any modification in the design of the main report, then that change will be reflected in the linked report automatically. You don't have to do anything. Parameterized report, those are we will be covering this in the parameter section. So to get any data, you need to first say SSRS that based on this condition we need the data. So that condition is basically parameter, and the report in which we add the parameter, that is called parameterized report. Drill down, drill through, and sub report we already told. So these are various kind of, these are not all, because there are other kind of reports as well that I said, that the tabular report, then a chart, various kind of chart, map, etc. So these are various kind of reports in an overview that we can make in SSRS. Thank you very much for watching this video.